Hello, and welcome to this mini episode from Range Woodworking. I recently put quite a few meters of oak through my thicknesser and realised that the seal on my dust extractor just isn't good enough. As you can see, it spews out fine dust all around the top of the bag, throwing it all over the workshop. It's time to do something about that. First, I remove the bottom collection bag and then blow off any excess dust on the extractor. Fine dust is by far the most dangerous dust generated in the workshop, so good dust collection goes a long way towards making your space safer. Next, I remove the thin rubber strip and wipe off any dust with methylated spirits. And this is the star of the show. It's 6mm thick, closed cell foam weather stripping. I measure approximately how much I'll need and cut 2 strips. These are self-adhesive, so I just peel and stick the first strip down to the steel edge. And then once all the way around, I trim it flush with the starting point. I run a second strip right above the first, but these little clips take a bit of wrestling with, so once I've done that, I just carry on round and cut the foam around the support braces. Time to put the bag in place and hold it up using the clips. Now the second part of this is upgrading the metal strap that it came with for this cam buckle tie down. If you're not familiar with these, the strap pushes through the buckle and pulls tight but will not budge backwards without releasing it. I wrap it round, feed it through, and then pull it as tight as I can. I'll knock the dust out of the filter and then tidy up my workshop to show how it seals now. Whilst I do that, I'll quickly ask you to consider liking and subscribing. I get that there's not much in this video to really earn it, but maybe check out one of the other videos at the end of this and consider it then. As you can see, after all that cleaning, there is no dust to be seen around the edge. This cost a total of about $5, leading to a cleaner, safer workshop and a more efficient system. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take it easy.